Hey guys, it's Cooley again with another video, and this time, well, I've got something special. Well, it's finally time for me to get it done. If you are just here for ROM reviews, well, you also should know that I also do motovlogs. The way I've been doing motovlogs is by well, it wasn't the most elegant of ways, and I'm not very proud of the ways I've been doing that. So, I decided I'm gonna buy an action camera. So here it is. It just came in the mail by Flipkart, of course. So well, here you go. Let's get started. So guys, here we have the action camera which just came in the mail now, and I just want to make a quick video before I use it. Let's open the package up. Now, a little bit of history while I'm opening the package. I've been meaning to do this for a long time. The reason I bought one now, there is a reason which I will get into soon, of course. Before this, I was using my old phone, which was a Galaxy S3 for the videos which I take on my helmet. I have a GoPro mount which I've mounted, and there is a GoPro to 3/4 inch adapter which has a phone adapter attached to it. If you haven't seen that video where I make that and I explain how to do that, go check that out. I'll link in the description below. It's a great video. It has this few stuff which is going on with that. It's great. The problem is that it is not waterproof, which is of course not going to be waterproof. It has a limit of 1080 at 30 FPS. It doesn't have any stabilization, and it's a janky way to record a video in that. Nothing special goes on. I mean, it's okay. I can record videos, but it is not, I repeat, not the best way to do the thing. So I decided I will just buy a new camera, and this one, there is a reason I bought this one. Let's just tell you guys what it is. It is the Noise Play Vlog, which is this magnificent beast, which is the GoPro Vlog, which is the camera. This is the vlog edition. It has 4K. It has an external microphone. I'm not sure if you are able to see that, but that is the main reason why I bought this. Of course, there are other ones which has an external microphone, but this is cheap enough so that I can afford it without thinking about it. This one cost me about 6,000 to 7,000 rupees, which is, again, it's okay. I can live with that. Now, here is the GoPro, or the GoPro Clone. Let's just say this is a GoPro Clone because it is exactly what it is. Yeah, let's open it up and show you guys what we all get inside this one. Now, Go Noise, the company which made this guy. It's not a new one. There are other products from these guys, namely there are action cameras from these guys, and also there is a smartwatch from these guys, both of which were trash from what I know or from what I've heard. A friend of mine did buy the older Noise, and well, the response I got from that is not very good. Let's just keep it here. So this is the one which it comes. Let's get to the specifications of the stuff. So as you can see, it is well, it is a 170 degrees of field of view. I'm not sure if it is true, but if it is, that's gonna be epic, amazing. LCD is a 2-inch HD. HD, I'm gonna assume it is 720p. Battery is 1000 milliampere. I was trying to get a spare battery for it, but there is no spare battery available for this guy yet. So that's gonna be a thing. I have to check if the initial or the other GoPro batteries do fit in this one. It does need a 64GB class 10 memory card, 30 meters of waterproof depth audio support built in, and it supports an external microphone. Built-in speakers, image stabilization is yes. I'm pretty sure it's electronic. U-disc mode, which I'm not sure. It has a USB interface Type D, which is the funniest thing I've ever seen. There is no Type D. Type C is the latest one. Type D is nothing. It is micro USB, which is the normal port which you use for charging mobile phones. And it has 4K at 30 FPS, has the UHD resolution at 30 FPS, 2.7K, okay, at 30 FPS, 1080p at 30 FPS and 60 FPS. and 720p at 120 fps, which is also pretty cool. This has not been out for a long time. It's relatively new, and I thought I'll just buy this and let you guys know about this one. So let's get started with the GoPro Clone. I keep telling this is a GoPro, but it is not. I know that. I know I'm gonna get flack for calling it a GoPro, but hey, it is what it is. So what the hell do I open this thing? I've never opened a GoPro before, so this is the same package as that one. Let's see what all we get inside. We get straps, so that's pretty cool, which you can use to bungee around and get things in here, so that's pretty nice to have. You also get a quick start guide, which is nice, which I won't be reading. There is a cleaning cloth in a separate bag, which, yeah, we get an extra bag for that. Okay, this is a handlebar mount, which is cool. I like that. Here is the normal mount without the waterproof casing. This is not waterproof without the casing, which is kind of a bummer, but hey, it is less than even half the price, so I'm okay with that, man. Here is the mount for this one, which I'm gonna guess is the same. It's gonna be the same as GoPro. Hopefully, I'll have to check that. It comes with the external microphone. This is the external microphone with a sock cover, or the noise filter or wind sock, which is pretty nice to see. It has a 3.5mm jack. Not sure if it is the 3.5mm jack or a 2.5mm jack. I have to check that out. Okay, it's not a 3.5mm jack, it is a 2.5mm jack, so yeah, it's a good thing they have included this one, because I was under the impression that this is going to be the same jack as my microphone arrangement which I'm using right now. Apart from that, there is a micro USB cable, which is a nice gesture to have. Okay, there is a small connection stuff. Wow, it's heavy. It's heavier than what I would have expected. There are two sticky pads extra, which you might have to use. There's a J mount, and then there is a tripod mount, which is also cool. I already have this tripod mount on my camera or on my helmet right now, because I was using that exact same thing. So there you have it. That is the accessories which you get, which is a complete package. You even get an external microphone with it, which is not what you would expect out of someone like, hey, GoPro. You don't get that with that. Let's open it up. So yeah, here is the, okay, it also comes with this extra stuff, so that's also there. Let's just remove this guy. Come on, get out. Okay, so there you have it. That is the, I got a blue one. I'm not sure if I wanted a blue one or if I had, I did not order a blue one, I just got a blue one. Anyways, this is it. Here is the camera itself, the GoPro Noise Play Vlog Edition. Here is the SD card slot, micro USB charging dock, HD out, microphone in, as I've already said. This is a 2.5mm jack, LCD, up down button, OK, and mode button, I believe that is. There is no indicator LED, which I would have liked to have, but hey, it is what it is. Here is the battery for it, which, no, it turned on its own. I didn't want it to turn on its own. Okay, anyways, nothing special while looking at this one. I'll have to record it, and okay, it is recording right now, so I'll have to record it and just see how it goes, because I have no idea how this is going to perform right now, because it is what it is. We'll have to see. We'll have to look into it. Yeah, I guess that much is it about this unboxing, because I just want to show you guys what this is and what we have here. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna work out really well. Hopefully it does work out really well. I'm gonna connect it and I'm gonna see how this goes. So there you have it, guys. That is the Noise or Go Noise Play Vlog Edition camera, action cam, which I've just bought, and I don't know if I made a huge mistake or a huge smart decision. You guys have to let me know, or I'll let you know in the review which is coming up. So yeah, I guess that much is it about the video. Then hope you guys like the video. Please share, subscribe, and like the video if you found it useful. See you guys next time. Bye.